This car has P0, all these three codes, P0301, P0303, P0304, all at the same time. So car has been sitting outside for quite some time. Nobody started it, nobody drove it. So, and then first start, this car had a dead battery, replaced the battery, cranks, but would not start. You can see throttle body throwing the flames outside of throttle body. And at first, before I play you the actual sound of the cranking, I just wanted to give you a little bit of a context what's going on with this name. You might have exact same scenario with your car, and I couldn't find anybody having exact same issue, so that's why I'm uploading this video out here. So that's how it was sounding after basically having a brand new gas in it and checking the fuel pump working perfectly. All fuses were working perfectly. All fuses were okay. Spark plugs, perfect. Ignition coils, perfect. Fuel injectors, injecting perfectly. Nothing is clogged. And again, before you throw money at a car or buy parts and think that one thing is going to fix it, you have to be precise with your testing. Parts are expensive. Delivery times are crazy as well, so you have to be precise with your testing and define exactly what's wrong with this car. So in this situation, the last thing I wanted to have this blown head gasket, or the last thing I wanted in this car is timing chain. So everything done, and then come test the cylinder pressure, and I had in all of these cylinders basically almost no pressure. So at that point, I had to open up the valve cover and check the basically timing chain. Of course, timing chain was loose and timing was off. That's why we couldn't start the car. And after fixing that, it did start run perfectly. So I hope it helps somebody out there. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.